everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, it is all about the skin, the face, the neck, the décolleté, and even your hands. Now guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a wonderful facial serum that is loaded with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that's going to help to tighten and firm the skin. Antioxidants such as vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C, omega-3, omega-6 are just awesome ingredients are put together to create a facial serum. Now for this facial serum, all you need is 2 drops morning or evening, and you are on your way to a brighter looking skin, firmer looking skin, and radiant, glowing, fresh, younger looking skin. So if you're looking a little help with your skin, guess what? Come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Our first ingredient is a vegetable glycerin, and vegetable glycerin helps to soften and moisturize the skin. It is also used as a preservative in this recipe. Our next ingredient is sesame seed oil. And sesame seed is loaded with vitamins and minerals that is great for the skin. It is a perfect anti-aging oil. When you're looking for sesame seeds oil, make sure to use unrefined, unroasted sesame seed oil. Our next ingredient is honey. Moisturizing, help to lock the moisture in the skin, soften the skin, and also help to boost collagen production in the skin. Now take a look at our next ingredient. Here I have 2 oils that can be used as anti-aging facial oil. We have the papaya seeds oil, which is great for wrinkles and fine lines, help to boost collagen production, help to soften the skin, also help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. And next we have the marula oil. The marula oil make a great anti-aging oil in the fact that it is great for most skin type, and not only that, the marula oil help to boost the collagen production in the skin. When applied in circular motion, it helps create more blood flow, and with more blood flow, it helps to plump that skin up, firm that skin. And just a little tidbit on the marula oil. The marula oil is used to preserve leather. Just imagine using an oil to preserve a leather. What does that do to your skin? It also helps to keep your skin younger, fresher, and naturally firmer. So I'm going to start off by using 1 teaspoon of honey, and that is 5 ml. So I'm just going to pour, eyeballing it, a teaspoon of honey. Make sure to use natural honey, 100% pure honey. And next we are reaching for the vegetable glycerin. And I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of the vegetable glycerin, which is going to be 10 ml. So that's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of the vegetable glycerin. And now I'm moving on to the marula oil. Now guys, if you do not have marula oil, don't be afraid to use your rosehip oil or your carrot seed oil or your carrot butter. Just use any anti-aging oil that you might have. So I'm just going to pour about a half a teaspoon. This is very concentrated, so you don't need a lot. A half a teaspoon of the marula oil, and I'm going to also use the papaya seed oil, and I'm using about the same, a half of a teaspoon of the papaya seed oil. Now I'm just going to blend this together and take a look. It's going to thicken up, and that's exactly how you want it. Now if you have dry skin, you can also pour a little bit of a coconut oil or even some olive oil in this recipe. Just continue to mix, and just make sure that the honey is blended thoroughly with the other ingredient, and it's gonna have a serumy consistency. and this is exactly how you want it to be. And guess what, guys? This is now ready to use. However, for me, I'm gonna add an extra ingredient, and this is the BABCHI oil. The BABCHI oil is now known as the strongest anti-aging facial oil. It contains a vitamin A, natural vitamin A that help to lift and firm the skin. It also helps to hydrates the skin, but more so it helps to tighten that skin. Now guess what, guys? If you want me to do a video using just the BABCHI oil and giving you all the information you need about the BABCHI oil, please comment below. So I'm going to use about 3 to 4 drops of the BABCHI oil. A little goes a long way. You really do not need a lot. And also for the BABCHI oil, you definitely need a carrier oil, okay? So I'm just going to blend this in. Mix well, thoroughly mix that BABCHI oil in. And I'm going to put a link below of the BABCHI oil I'm using and where you could get it. And now, guys, this is ready. Take a look up close. Just 2 drops of this on your skin is gonna work wonders for your skin. Using this twice a day, AM and PM, every day for a week. After a week, you're gonna be blown away. This is gonna help to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, lift and firm your skin, but also this is gonna have you looking years younger. Definitely a must try, okay? So to store this, you do not need to put this in the refrigerator. You can store this on your countertop and in an airtight container. And let me pour mine. I'm just gonna pour mine out. And remember, guys, a little goes a long way. This could last you well over a month, okay? Get everything out, all this goodness out. And here it is, your anti-aging facial serum / facial moisturizer. To use this, all you need is just 2 drops. Anyway, let me go on the other side and show you how to use this for the best result. Take a look at this, just 2 drops of this goodness, and then you are gonna just warm it in your hands, and then you are gonna apply it on your skin. Now you're not gonna rub this in like that. Clean skin, remember, you're gonna just press it on your skin and just press it on. And once you press it, and do this for about a minute, so don't rush it, about a minute, just keep pressing this wonderful serum on your skin. Once you are done, then you are gonna lift the skin. You are gonna do a simple 2 minutes of facial massage to your skin. Just lift and lift and lift the skin. Now, guys, this is also great for the neck and décolleté area. However, after using this for the very first time overnight, you are gonna notice a huge difference to your skin. Your skin is gonna feel soft, supple, and the next day you're gonna be glowing. Just continue to use this wonderful goodness as often as you wish, whenever you wish. No need to store this in the refrigerator. Just leave this on the countertop wherever you have your other facial serum. It do have a long shelf life. This can last you way up to 6 months. However, this amount that we made is about a month or so, since a little goes a long way. If you want to make more, just double up on the recipe. All right,